How do artists make hair look this good? Soft, shiny, full of depth. Every strand feels intentional, and nothing looks messy. But when you try it, it turns flat, or chaotic, or just wrong. So what are they doing differently? Are they just better at drawing strands? No. In fact, that's exactly what they're not doing. The biggest difference between you and professional artists is this. They don't see hair as strands. They see it as light hitting a 3D form. And once you understand that, rendering hair becomes way easier than you think. So let's break it down properly. What does it actually mean to render hair? Rendering hair means taking a simple shape and using light, shadow, and texture to make it feel soft, flowing, and real. Not detailed. Real. Because detail without structure will always look messy. Step 1. Stop drawing strands. This is the mistake almost everyone makes. You zoom and start drawing hundreds of tiny lines and expect it to somehow look realistic. It won't, because you're skipping the foundation. Instead, treat hair like a solid object. Think of it like clay or a helmet sitting on the head. Light reacts to the big shape first, not individual strands. So if your base shape is wrong, nothing will fix it. Block in the full silhouette. Keep it simple. If it looks boring right now, you're doing it right. Step 2. Understand the flow. Hair always moves in a direction, from the roots outward. If your hair has no clear flow, it instantly looks unnatural. So before shading anything, map the direction. Use simple lines to guide the movement. This step alone makes your hair look more intentional. Step 3. Choose your light source. This is where rendering actually begins. Where's your light coming from? Top, side, behind? Everything depends on this, because hair reacts strongly to light. For example, top light bright on top, shadows underneath. Side light strong contrast across sections. Backlight glowing edges, darker center. If you don't decide this, your shading will feel random. Step 4. Break hair into sections. Now, take your big shape and divide it into chunks. Not strands, sections. Think of ribbons flowing together. Each section has its own curve, has its own light, has its own shadow. Now block in light and shadow. No blending yet, just clear separation. At this stage, your hair should already start looking 3D. If it still looks flat, don't move forward. Fix this first. Step 5. Value. This is everything. If there's one thing controlling your entire rendering, it's value. Value is simply how light or dark something is. Hair looks realistic because of correct values, not because of details. Think of it like this. If your drawing looks good in black and white, it will look good in color. If it doesn't, color won't save it. So push your values. Make lights clear. Make shadows deep. Create contrast. That's what gives your hair form. Step 6. Midtones equals softness. Right now, your hair might look harsh. That's normal. Now we add midtones. These are the transition between light and shadow. They create smoothness, volume, natural flow. When blending, follow the direction of the hair. Never blend randomly. Your strokes should move with the form. This is what makes hair feel soft instead of stiff. Step 7. Depth in side shadows. Here's a detail that separates beginners from advanced artists. Shadows are not flat. Inside shadows, there are deeper shadows. Add variation. Darker near overlaps. Softer in open areas. This creates layering. Without this, your hair will always feel flat. Step 8. Highlights, the key to realism. This is where everything comes together. Hair has sharp, controlled highlights. Not everywhere, only where light hits directly. Instead of random white lines, place highlights along the curve of the hair, like light sliding across a ribbon. Important, use fewer highlights. Too many equals fake, oily look. Controlled highlights equals professional result. Step 9. Now add strands. Now you can finally add detail, but keep it minimal. Add strands on edges to break the silhouette, and overlaps to show layers. Lightly inside for texture. Remember, strands don't create realism. They support it.
Different hair types important. Not all hair reflects light the same way. straight hair, smooth gradients, long highlights, curly hair, broken light, more contrast, wavy hair, flowing light dark patterns, messy hair, irregular shadows, less smooth blending. If you ignore this, all your hair will look the same. Practice this if you want to improve fast. Take a reference. Convert it to grayscale. Use only 3 tones. Light, midtone, shadow, no details. Do this daily for 10 to 15 minutes. Your rendering will improve faster than anything else. Final mindset. So next time you draw hair, don't start with strands. Start with light. Build the form. Control your values. Then add details. That's the difference between average and professional rendering.